Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I just wanted to let you know that I'm gonna be working on my book. Um, which one is it? I keep getting mistaken. I have so much stuff in my head that I'm thinking about. But becoming not becoming a full say. Becoming a full say is still with the editor. And I guess at the time of this recording, maybe I'll get it back soon, but I'm just so happy to get it back, and hopefully I will be able to speed through the edits, and I'll just ask her how am I able to like accept all changes because I trust her as an editor, and we should be able to get my author copies once I get my book cover finalized and everything. um, I guess I'm going to be, you're going to see me working on the book project although. So hopefully everything works out well with that, and you'll see me doing the work in progress. I have written some scenes that I want to happen inside the book. So hopefully like everything will go out well with the scenes and that I have in mind. I don't know how everything is gonna pan out because in my mind, I'm more of a what's the word? They say pantser, where you write up the seat of your pants. So hopefully, like with that, I can be able to like make my book the way I like it. I don't know how everything is gonna work out so far because sometimes I have thoughts in my mind and I end up changing it last minute. But we're making progress. um, I'm on the scene where Essie is talking to her friend about some guy that she was dating, but I don't know. We should see if it works out between her and the other guy. It's not the guy that she got into a breakup with, somebody else. But we shall see. But I'm really happy about the progress that a lot of things is going through. And I have some exciting news, but I won't share it until like maybe in the coming weeks or so after the experience has been done. But I'm just so happy about that. But anyways, keep watching the rest of the video and hopefully you're entertained. Hello everyone. So like I'm gonna be showing you this Arabic perfume, I believe. It's I forgot the name of where I bought it from, but I bought it from TikTok Shop through a vendor on there. And this one is, I think it's Choco Musk. Yeah, that's what it says right there. And it looks like this. It's very pretty and nice. It smells like vanilla, but it has like a musk in it. And yeah, I wish you could smell what I'm smelling. It smells really nice. Like when it dries down. So yeah. And I heard that Arabic perfume lasts longer on your skin, so that's why I wanted to try it. This one has been raving around a lot on TikTok. It's called Yara by Latafa. Um, yeah, it's really nice. And I'm gonna open it. The bottle is so beautiful. It came with the air freshener spray and also the body spray. But I like this, so I wanted to show you this. So it's very pretty and nice right here. And this one smells like powdery and a little bit airy. So I don't get what people saying that it smells like strawberries, because I don't really see it too much. But I could be thinking about the wrong one. But this one smells really nice. It smells really good. And the scent lasts on your skin for what I can tell. Yeah, it smells really nice. It smells a bit fruity and stuff. It smells really nice. So yeah, this is all I wanted to show you guys. So good news. My editor gave back the edits to my book, and now it's all going all well and fine. So hopefully, I don't know. Hopefully, by the next few weeks, I can be able to finish them and hand it back to her so she can finalize everything. But it's looking good, and she said that she likes the. I did a good job on the developmental edits. I was nervous about that though, but I'm glad that everything worked out fine. So yeah, I'm just so happy, and hopefully I'll be able to like publish this book soon because I know that I'm waiting for the process to be done. But yeah, everything happens for a reason and everything works out in its timing. So yay. So I'm figuring out how to accept the changes, and it's so easy. All you have to do is just click on the area that you want to like. I mean, I have to fix this up, and then I think all you have to do is just click on it and accept changes right here. So it disappears after you accept the changes. So if you didn't know that you can do that on Microsoft Word, now you know. So I love school supplies, and I love buying them. So this is the school supplies latest ones that I've bought in the past few weeks, and I really like them. And hopefully I can use them in when I'm brainstorming and plotting my outline. So hopefully everything works out with Project Odo, and I can be able to use these. So hi everyone, I just bought this products from The Ordinary. I don't know if you know if it works or not. Let me know in the comments below, like if you've tried The Ordinary and if you like them, because I've heard some good reviews about them, especially the glycolic acid right here, saying that like you can use it on your armpits, you can use it on your face, and you can use it on some other areas of your body. So like I want to know like if it works well. So if you can like let me know in the comments, or like if you have ever tried any acne solutions and stuff to cover to fix dark marks, like let me know. So hi everyone. In this clip, you should be seeing me working on my book, Becoming a Fool Osei. I'm really happy that I finally got the edits back, and I can accept the changes. And I just showed you in the previous clip, or one of the couple of clips before, how to accept the changes when you are doing it from Microsoft Word. But it's really nice, and I'm happy that I'm able to like work on my book now, so that the process is rolling. And I also have gotten my pictures. Well, not the pictures. The graphic designer sent me like the sketches and how it's coming together. So I'm really happy about that. They all I have to say is a Subway themed book cover. Other than that, I can't really spoil it for you. But hopefully you like it when you see it when it comes out. I know how the people are looking in the picture. I'm not sure how the font for the book cover, not the book cover, the book title is going to be, but everything is going well, and I'm really happy and proud of myself for being persistent, because I know I usually sometimes give up on myself, but persistence is key when you want to do something. So never give up on yourself, and never tell yourself that you can't do something, because you actually can. So the book is I'm on still on chapter 1, because I just got it like a few days ago, and I was starting something new. So I've been a bit busy. So I just have been working on something else, and then now I'm working on the edits, accepting the changes and seeing where I can fix things. And yeah, so I'm just so happy and excited. It's really a long time coming, because it's like you want to do a lot of things, but sometimes I feel like I can't. But I have to be more positive in my life to tell myself that I can do stuff that is hard, and that even if I don't I don't know, even if I don't think I can, I really can. So I've just been trying to take it all in that I'm going to have a book that's going to come out in a few months time. It's very scary though, because I'm a whole author, and like just to see like all the changes as have been coming in my life recently, the good, the bad. So I don't know. I'm just so happy to like be actually doing certain things for myself that is positive, and I really commend myself for being positive to myself and for not giving up even when I felt like giving up. So yeah, I'm really happy about that. I keep saying I'm happy because I really am. Um, so I'm going to keep working on my book, and hopefully I can work on Project Odo. I don't really know where I'm going to be at in the book and how I'm going to brainstorm so that I can be able to like write write what I want in the book, but other than that I'm really okay about it. But I'm really just trying to like do the best that I can for myself, and hopefully everything falls in line and falls together, comes together, cuz I feel like there's like God is like shifting things in my life to make it better for myself, and that I am trying to like be obedient and listen, but it's very hard sometimes when you're so used to the mundane things in your life and you're not really like paying attention to what God is trying to do, and God is trying to show you certain things that he wants you to be obedient in. So I don't know. I'm just working through it all, and hopefully things get better from here, and I can be able to like showcase my creativity to the world, and hopefully people will receive it well. I know not everybody is into like learning things about mental health, but like just being able to spread that to the world is very important because it's a message that needs to be heard. So I'm really happy about all the good changes that are happening in my life. So, and I hope that it overshadows the bad that is also happening in my life. But we all gonna take it with stride, right? So thank you all for watching my videos, and thank you all for getting me to 582 subscribers at this moment. And hopefully we can continue to grow and we can get to 600 soon, and then officially to 1,000 sooner after that. So I'm just thankful for you all. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the post notifications while you're at it. So with that being said, bye.